Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syafiq Nurhakim bin Mat Ghazali. So for CS649 special topics, individual report, I will present about deep learning, which focus on speech recognition. First of all, we need to know the definition of deep learning and speech recognition. Deep learning is a part of machine learning method, which is based on artificial neural network that represent learning. Next, the speech recognition is a subset of deep learning. It is an interdisciplinary computer science and computer linguistic subfield that advance the technology, which make it possible for computer to understand and translate spoken language into text. It is also called as voice recognition. There are several applications of speech recognition which we can find in our daily life. One of There are five that are listed here. One of it is in healthcare, which is in medical documentation and therapeutic treatment. Next, it is used in military, especially in aircraft and helicopter. It is also used as in air traffic controller. Next, it is used in education, which it can accessible student to learn, and it can also be used to learn new language to help user learn new language. Next, it is also used in a car system, especially in a newer model, where user can give order to the car using voice without needing to push any button. Next is the newest technology in speech recognition, which is voice cloning. The voice cloning technology, the newest one, it can clone voice in a matter of 5 minutes and only need a 5 second sample of the input voice. The older version need to have several hours of input voice and need to clone the voice in a matter of few hours. What this voice cloning technology do is it use a multi-speaker speech synthesis model, which consists of three main components, which is speaker encoder, synthesizer, and neural vocoder. The speaker encoder recognizes the voice input tone. Next, the synthesizer will pair the input text with the voice input tone, and the neural vocoder will output the voice with the same tone as the input voice tone. However, there exist several problems in speech recognition. The first problem is inaccuracy. This problem occurs when the speech recognition system sometimes do not recognize what the user see. This will lead to inaccuracy in the system part and make it unreliable for user to use. Next is its efficiency. Efficiency can occur when the system take a long time to translate to recognize the speech from the user, and this will make it inefficient for user to use it. Next is the problem with accent. Different people from different background usually have a different accent according to the region. Usually the speech recognition system only train using a standard language which does not incorporate accent in their training. This will make the system does not recognize when user use an accent in speech recognition system. Next is the noise. This problem occur when there are a background noise in speech recognition in a user voice input into that need to be inserted into speech recognition system. Next is a problem regarding the privacy of the user who use the speech recognition system. However, the problem can be overcome according to the past study. Uh, for the accuracy problem, the system can you train the system more frequently using a new and improved architecture, which use less time to train the system. Next, for efficiency, the efficiency of the system can be improved by improving the hardware of the processor of the system. Next, for the essence, the training method for the speech recognition can be divided into two, which is standard and essence. The training which incorporate the word in essence rather than the standard training that is usually occurred in speech recognition architecture model. Next, for noise, the architecture can include noise cancellation, which it can detect whether the sound is a noise or the voice input voice. If it is noise, then it will cancel the sound. Next, for the privacy, the system can also include a feature which turn off the system when users are not using it in order to make the system did not hear user conversation. As a conclusion, it can be summarized that speech recognition is beneficial technology to have around, from military usage to education. The technology is certainly helpful for mankind. However, the problem of this technology is that we can see in its technological and social aspect. So, human people need to use the technology responsibly in order to avoid those problems. That's all.